GeoPave is Adbrough's resin-bound paving system, which is sometimes referred to as a hand-troweled system. GeoPave comprises two elements, our distinctive biomass resin and a blend of selected aggregates. A resin-bound system forms a durable layer, which is typically applied at a thickness between 12 mm and 25 mm upon an existing base. The end result has a comparatively flat and smooth finish which is pervious to water. GeoPave resin has thermoplastic properties. It's flexible, elastic and eco-friendly. It differs from our Adtex resin-bonded paving system mainly in thickness, mode of application and finish. The selected aggregates for GeoPave range from 1 to 10 mm in size, and the size to be used will depend on the type of application. When choosing aggregates, consider how the finished GeoPave surface will be used and the extent to which skid or slip resistance is required. Unlike Adtex, GeoPave uses a blend of aggregates rather than just one size. A blend is created by mixing smaller aggregates, typically 1 to 3 mm in size, with larger aggregates of approximately 2 to 5 mm. GeoPave allows designers the freedom to express their creativity by mixing and matching shades of aggregate, creating their own individual blends using one or more colours. We've developed our own exclusive range of aggregate blends containing complementary colours for use with our resins, or alternatively, aggregates can be sourced elsewhere. GeoPave is incredibly versatile. It can be used for driveways, paths, patios, walkways, cycleways, pedestrian areas, internal flooring, roof terraces, access roads and commercial properties. A GeoPave installation is straightforward but requires certain professional skills. Detailed guidance on the application process is provided in our separate GeoPave application video guide. In simple terms, first the two resin components are mixed together using a drill and paddle until they're homogeneous. Then both the mixed resin and the selected aggregates are added to a suitable mixer and combined until the aggregates are fully coated. The resulting mix is then placed and roughly spread over the application area using a squeegee or rake. Once in position, the mix is levelled and compacted using a hand trowel to achieve a comparatively flat and even surface. Finally, the surface is left to cure. The new GeoPave surface offers a highly attractive, low-maintenance solution, in contrast to the continual problems associated with block pavers and in particular loose gravel surfaces, such as weed growth, stone migration and clogged drains. The UK government recently introduced legislation stating the ways in which surface water and drainage should be channelled within urban areas to minimise the risk of flooding. This legislation established the term Sustainable Urban Drainage Systems, commonly known as SUDS. GeoPave is a SUDS-compliant system that's pervious and allows water to soak through the surface, helping to reduce the amount of surface water runoff. It's therefore ideal for new developments, as it can assist with meeting the SUDS planning requirements. Its free-draining properties also make it the perfect choice for tree pits and swimming pool surrounds. There are two variants of GeoPave, GeoPave Standard and GeoPave UV Resistant. The standard grade is more economical, but can be subject to slight discoloration by ultraviolet light. In most cases, this is unnoticeable, especially on dark or brown aggregates. GeoPave UVR is our premium grade, which gives exceptional resistance to discoloration from ultraviolet light, and is more suitable for use with lightly coloured aggregates. GeoPave provides a hard-wearing, striking, modern approach to surfacing that's versatile and easy to maintain. The only maintenance that may be required is to periodically clean using a pressure washer. Adtex is Adbruf's resin-bonded paving system, sometimes referred to as a scatter coating, broadcast or coat system. Adtex comprises two elements, our unique biomass resin and selected aggregates. Adtex resin is a two-part polyurethane hybrid system which has significant advantages over other resins. It has both thermoplastic and thermosetting properties, which means it's an inherently elastic and flexible system, which expands and contracts with the substrate as it alters in temperature through changing weather conditions. The aggregates used are typically 3 to 5 mm in size and can range in shade from subtle cream limestones to bold red granites. A wide range of aggregates are available directly from Adbruf, or alternatively aggregates can be sourced elsewhere. When selecting aggregates, it's important to consider the end use of the surface and to take into account colour, texture, particle shape, durability and site-specific conditions, such as traffic, skid resistance and visual impact. To guarantee the performance of a resin-bonded surface, aggregates must be clean, dry and free from dust. Adtex is ideal for use on driveways, patios, paths, walkways, cycleways, pedestrian areas, bus lanes, access roads, commercial properties and car parks. A resin-bonded system is easy to install, but requires certain professional skills. Detailed guidance on the application process is provided in our separate Adtex application video guide. In simple terms, first mix together the two resin components, the base and the activator, until they're homogeneous. This mix is then poured onto the application area in rows and spread out using a squeegee in a sweeping motion, ensuring that the surface is evenly coated in preparation for the aggregates. The selected aggregate is then broadcast onto the wet resin, ensuring it's completely covered. This is typically at a rate of 8 to 10 kilograms per square metre. Once the resin has hardened, often referred to as cured, the excess aggregate is swept off using a stiff broom. The surface is now complete and ready for use. The newly laid Adtex surface is easy to maintain by merely sweeping and light pressure washing if required. One of the principal benefits of Adtex is its tolerance to rain shortly after installation. This offers greater flexibility to the installer as it's not as weather dependent as some other systems. Adtex can be applied in most climates due to its fast curing properties, particularly at low temperatures. This allows Adtex to be installed almost anywhere in the world. Adtex has been developed to provide an attractive, highly durable solution that gives exceptional adhesion and is a contemporary, long-lasting approach to surfacing.